Have you ever imagined that in the vast animal kingdom, where giant and mysterious creatures once reigned, only one final descendant of the entire lineage remains? Hello to everyone watching the Animals Things to Know channel. Today, we will explore a strange animal with an extraordinary survival story, the Galapagos Marine Iguana, the only sea lizard species still existing on Earth. If you have ever known about dinosaurs or giant prehistoric sea creatures, the marine iguana can be considered a remaining shadow of that era. They live in the Galápagos Islands, famous for their unique ecosystem that Charles Darwin used as the foundation for his theory of evolution. But unlike their reptilian relatives living on land, the marine iguana has chosen a different path, diving into the ocean to find food and survive. With sharp claws, they easily cling to rugged rocks, resisting strong waves. Their long, flat tail acts as a powerful paddle, propelling their bodies deep into the water. Moreover, their lungs and breathing mechanisms are optimized so they can hold their breath for about 30 minutes underwater, diving as deep as 9 meters to forage. Their only food is seaweed, seemingly simple but actually the key to survival that binds them closely to the ocean. However, the most unique feature that makes the marine iguana one of a kind is its ability to sneeze out salt. You can often see them spraying tiny white jets from their noses, resembling dust blowing in the wind. In fact, this is a miraculous biological mechanism that helps their bodies eliminate excess salt after swimming in the salty seawater for a long time. Without this ability, they certainly could not survive, as their bodies would quickly become unbalanced. This is vivid proof of the marvels of evolution and incredible adaptability. Yet, the journey of the marine iguana has never been easy. Global warming causes changes in sea temperatures, making algae, their main food source, increasingly scarce. Invasive animals introduced by humans, such as wild dogs and cats, also threaten their eggs and young. Not to mention the direct impacts from tourism and exploitation activities that gradually shrink the marine iguana's habitat. All of this puts them in a fragile situation, where survival depends on every conservation effort by humans. But remember, the existence of the marine iguana is not just the story of a rare reptile. It is also a reminder of nature's resilience, the power of adaptation, and humanity's responsibility toward the environment. If a small creature can survive millions of years of evolution to cling to this planet, there is no reason why we should not join hands to protect and preserve it. The message Animals Things to Know wants to send you is very clear. Every animal, no matter how small or strange, is an important part of the biodiversity picture. Losing them means losing the balance and beauty of nature. Let's spread awareness, raise consciousness, and together protect wondrous creatures like the Galapagos Marine Iguana. If you find this video meaningful, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to continue exploring countless other fascinating things from the animal world with us.